Thank you so much, Ashwarya. His words are like snow. The softer it falls, the longer it dwells upon, and deeper it sinks into the mind. A man with a magical persona. I now welcome our Honorable President and veteran in the field of HR, Professor K.V. Raghavya, to declare the convocation open.
I declare the convocation open.
Thank you, sir. It is a province of knowledge to speak, and it is a privilege of wisdom to listen. Now, may I request the province of knowledge of National School of Business, Professor C. Sanjeev, the head of corporate relations, to welcome this gathering. A big round of applause for him.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. They say it took 7 grueling weeks for Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay to summit Mount Everest for the first time ever. Today, we assemble to celebrate the summiting of the mountain that is the PG Postgraduate Management Program of NSB and the International MBA from ESC POW. What does it take to get both these degrees? They took 7 weeks. Roughly for the students it has taken 600 days and 400 days respectively. And not only that, 600 hours of study, exams every 6 months, and that too 7 subjects each time at the minimum. Add to thus numerous assignments and project work, and then you can think of holding a PGPM degree from National School of Business and the International MBA from ESC POW. So today, we celebrate this achievement, which is nothing less than summiting Mount Everest. And today, for this momentous evening, we have with us a chief guest, Mr. Harish. Mr. Harish has more than 23 years of experience in the corporate sector. He started his professional career with TVS Sundaram Fasteners, and then in 1989 he joined Hindustan Lever, which all of us know is a great multinational company in India. Mr. Harish has worked in different roles across functions. He was the head employee relations in Hindustan Lever, responsible for all the HR matters concerning 38,000 non-management employees across India, spanning 60 units in manufacturing, sales, and also plantation. His last assignment in Hindustan Lever was as a Vice President HR, responsible for the entire HR functions across South Asia. He has a rich experience in change management at a global context, having worked in Unilever as a global project manager, Enterprise Calcutta, and having worked as a Vice President HR Services when he managed a major transformation agenda in 40 countries across 3 continents. He is now a freelance leadership consultant and executive coach. In 2008, he started his own company called People Unlimited, providing support in the area of organization performance and leadership effectiveness. He is also an adjunct coach with the Center of Creative Leadership, a world-renowned leadership development organization. Mr. Harish is the immediate past president of National HRD Network, Bangalore chapter, and he is the convener of this year's NHRD Network's National Conference to be held in Bangalore in November. Mr. Harish was honored with the Exemplary Leader Award as a part of Employer Branding Awards, India, 2007. Mr. Harish is a postgraduate in management from the prestigious XLRI Jamshedpur, prior to which he had graduated from Madras University. So I'm sure you will all agree that we would not have found a better person today for celebrating this event. So now I request the President of NSB, Professor Sridhar Murthy, to welcome Mr. Harish with the book. Our next chief guest is Mr. Rohit Kumar, the IRS. He is the Income Tax Commissioner of Bangalore, and trust me, he has taken time from a very busy schedule and has come here to attend the function. So again, I request Professor Sridhar Murthy from NSB, President, to welcome Mr. Rohit Kumar. Next, May I welcome a person who has contributed huge chunks to ITC for the brand it is today. He has over 35 years of corporate experience in different facets of HR across industries and contexts. As a GM corporate HR, he has developed some of the most important assets of ITC, its people. He has been developing leaders for several years and is guiding National School of Business to become a leader. The Chairman, Governing Council of NSB, Professor Raghavaiah. Now I request the President to please welcome Professor Raghavaiah with a bouquet. May I welcome Dr. Patrice Kaliba, who is the Academic Dean of Group ESC PAO. He holds a Doctorate of Philosophy from the Sorbonne University and a Master in Commerce from ESC PAO University, Europe. He is a Professor of Management in the Department of Strategic Management at PAO Business School since 2007. Previously, he worked for 3 years in the consulting firms like Accenture, Deloitte. He spent 2 years in Argentina as a HR project manager in the retail industry. His passion for ideas led him to switch to research. He has published around 40 papers for reviewed journals and conferences. His research focuses upon fair trade, ethics, and political science. So, on behalf of NSB, sir, Dr. Patrice, we welcome you, President. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Dr. Mary Helen, Manager, India-France MBA Program, ESC PAO, France. She has worked as International Marketing Manager at Pierre Fabre Pharmaceutical Group. She specializes in B2C marketing, luxury, health and cosmetic marketing. She is the author of new concept in branding called Cause Co-Branding. Madam, on behalf of NSB, we welcome you to the program. May I request Professor Raghavaiah to welcome her with a bouquet. Many people have given me a feedback and they say that it is very difficult to forget an interaction or conversation with him. He is an award winner, that was at the national level. He has won the Shiksha Bharati Puraskar awarded by All India Achievers Foundation. He has been conferred the Best Faculty Award several times for his innovative teaching skills. He is steering NSB to great heights. The President of National School of Business, Professor Sridhar Murthy. Sir, Professor Raghavaiah, can I request you to invite? I also take this opportunity to welcome our beloved director, Professor Venkatesh Kumar, for the function. They say that teachers affect affinity. Teachers affect eternity. You do not know where that influence starts and where that influence ends. So I take this opportunity to welcome all the teachers on the stage. At the same time, I would like to welcome to this prestigious ceremony all the non-teaching staff and the adjunct members of the NSB family. And though it is coming a little late, I guess it is the most important and the very important people of today, the students who are graduating and the other students. And today is a special day, not just for you students or for the teachers, but there is someone in this room whose chest becomes very wide and swells with pride to see their children get their degrees. So the parents who have come here to watch their children get their degrees, a warm welcome to you all. And a warm welcome to all the friends of the students who joined us and the well-wishers. So welcome all of you for this ceremony. Thank you very much.